Hi guys! Magka-unboxing tayo ngayon. Kasama yung panganay kong anak, tsaka yung baby ko. Kasi yung, yung girlfriend niya nandito din. Kaya, bababa tayo. Makikipagkwentuhan tayo. Katapos, meron akong package dito guys. Ayan! Galing sa Amazon. Let's find out what's inside in this box. Bababa tayo guys. Let's join them. That's Alea. Say hi! That's my son's girlfriend. Nandyan pala yun baga natin eh. Ayan, that's my son guys. My first son.
Hello.
So ito yung mga food na pinang-grocery namin. Aiden, say hi!
Hi.
Do you like your pizza? Yeah? And your lemonade? Do you want more?
More.
Oh, you want more. Ito pala ang box na i-unbox niya. You're gonna be unboxing that. Okay?
I'm excited.
You excited? This box, guys, dumating sa bahay ko kanina. So, gusto kong i-unbox siya.
Oh!
Wow! It's another ring light.
There's two ring lights.
A steering light. Yeah.
There's two. It's all like connected, and then you have a little mount for your phone on the center.
Oh, that's cool.
That's really cool, actually.
Did you?
Wow. So, there's two ring lights. Oh, look. What is that?
You ready?
Oh, that's
Oh,
a
there's a battery?
Lithium battery. Yeah. Take these out. Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Belly.
Aww. With the cord, normal USB. So you got the two lights. Uh oh. Oh, this is
I
the
think-
connector.
Yeah.
You connect both of these into one. That's cool.
That's Alea. That's Alea's. That's Owen's girlfriend. I was gonna say opposite. That was Alea's boyfriend.
Sounds like this is the hardware, like the actual stand.
Aiden, it's helping unboxing. I think.
Did you clean it up? Is it trash? No. Okay.
What do you have?
You're welcome.
What do you have?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. It's a stand. Let's figure out what I'm doing. I don't know. I just started pulling on things. Ooh, these feel weird. Look at that.
You're welcome.
It's like grooves in it.
There, it's the
And
stand.
then
What is this? Oh, this is the remote.
Oh, thank you.
and then have the other side.
That's already. So I guess that's.
Oh,
Oh.
I did it.
You did it.
I don't know where.
Wait.
Oh, thank you.
You just slide that all the way through.
I think that's
Yeah.
for the phone, don't you
Yeah.
think?
Oh yeah, and then this goes like this. Oh.
Yeah. And then.
If I want to use
That's really high. Isn't it?
my camera. Okay, that's. Ito na yung base namin.
Thank you.
Hindi pa nila napifigure out yung isa. Kasi ito yun sa gitna. I think this is the cell phone holder, right?
Yeah.
So where's the camera holder?
Well, I don't know.
Yun.
There.
We should disconnect it.
So where do you put the camera?
I don't know. You put a phone.
Oh, I think this is for the phone. And so what is this?
Oh, I don't know.
There's two, but like, see, there's two. Are this removable?
Yes.
And then, do you think if this been removed,
It's just the ball mount.
it's just probably the camera?
I don't know how you put it on.
And where's the charger? Ayan guys, hindi namin maintindihan kung saan lalagay yung camera. Kasi ito, sa cellphone. Kung cellphone ang gamit ko, ito. Pero, kasi may dalawang ano dito, pwedeng paglagyan. Hindi lang namin alam. Pinifigure out pa nila. Katapos, ito yung remote guys ng light. Ito na yun ano, yung pinild ng anak ko tsaka yung girlfriend niya na ring light. So, ito mag-i-stay siya dito sa aking studio room. Ayan yung base niya. Kasi ito pala, cellphone lang pala ang pwede mag-carrier nito. Pag cellphone lang ang gagamitin ko. Kasi ito yung remote. So, ayan, naka-turn on. Turn on muna natin para makita natin. Ito na guys, ang ating ring light. Turn on ko na siya. Cute siya. Maganda siya guys. Maganda siya. Kung gumagamit kayo ng cellphone, siguro tatry ko din para pag magla-live ako, tatry ko siya. Maganda siya. Meron ako guys, malaking ring light. Pakita ko sa inyo, sandali. Kung naka-face siya dito, yan ang ring light ko guys. Ang aking mirror is another ring light. Kita ko sa inyo ang aking butterfly wall. Ito ang aking butterfly wall guys. Nilalagyan ko siya ng mga fashion jewelry ko. Owen, thank you for building this ring light.
You're welcome.
There's the 2 ring light. And of course, Alea. Say hi.